My name is Brittany Edwards, and this is my final lab, the water heater lab. So I got my bottle, and I'm going to get this wrapper off. I saw some other ways to do it, but I think this is the most cost-efficient one since I'm not really trying to do it like, you know, for real or whatever. So get this off, and then I'm going to get some. Take this off because I have to put a hole in this some kind of way. It's actually really durable. So let me get some. And a piece of aluminum foil. And then some tape. This actually is too much. I think it just kind of needs to be like on this back side, like this much. Let me take this side first. Actually, let me not take it first. Let me cut it first. I think this is still too much. It's still way more than I had. Let's take this You know what? I think we just tear it. It's not even. It's not even. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of tape. Tape around the back side. Tape on the back side of this. Babe. Okay. And then I'm gonna put like maybe like water up to here. Try to get it to boil. Babe, can you find me something that'll put a hole in this top right here? Like, cause I could just like stab scissors in it and nothing.
Like, think of a hole you need.
Like about the size that the hole would need if I did it with scissors, but not. Or maybe use the kitchen scissors or do it. I probably just need a little more muscle. I just filled up with some water. Sorry. Get it? That's fine, though. Had a little slit in the bottle cap, so you can check the temperature, or just to see if it boils anyway. And then I am going to take the bottle outside. And then I'm gonna prop it up, right? Move, Mona. I'm gonna prop it right here. Yeah. It's getting some sun right there. And then so I'll come back in a couple of hours to see. Move, Mama. And go back in a couple of hours to see if that boils. Okay. So the water's been out here for about 2 hours actually, and wait. Yeah, so the water's been out here for about 2 hours. And it didn't do anything but kind of sweat just a little bit. But the sun did go down also, so that may have something to do with it. But I didn't get it to boil, so no kudos to me.